The next one, Let's Start Living Again, 32 Counts Forward Beginner by Weisburd. No tech, no restart. Good. Okay, easy dance, okay. First section, weights on your left, start with your right. 2 background side shape mirror. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Next section is just box, cross, back, side, cross. Monterey quarter, Monterey step. Third section, rocking chair, rock recover, back recover. And then turn quarter, side, back swip. Behind side cross rock, 1, 2, 3, 4. After recover on 4, you rock on right and turn 1 quarter, 5, 6, shuffle half. 7 and 8, this is your new wall. 3 o'clock, so this is the third wall. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, jazz box. 1, 2, Monterey's turn. 5, 6, rocking chair. 1, 2, quarter side. 5, 6, back swip. 7, 8, behind side cross rock. And the side turn 1 quarter, shuffle half.